Welcome back students. Today I am going to explain as English 2 means literature chapter 6 King CV as learning grammar. Learning grammar. As chapter in page number 37 it is given. Page number 37 it is given as learning grammar, and I will give the solution of question answer and all things the next day. Today you understand learning grammar. First you understand all the chapters and chapter in exercises, then you do. So at last you do in copy when I will give the solution. First you understand this. Learning grammar about verbs. Here it is saying about verbs. What are verbs? Basically, verbs are known as the action word. Verbs are known as the action words. Action words means by those words we have acknowledgement of any action, like that to write, to read anything, jump, run. So all activities shows action. So basically verbs reflect action, means action words, and verbs can be used in the grammar in helping verbs also and main verbs also. Helping verbs also and main verbs also. So basically main verbs are action words. And helping verbs like that, Ram is a doctor, Ramesh is a boy, Rita is a girl. So is, are, and, was, were, has, have, had, do, did, all of the helping verb. Will, shall, all of the helping verb. Can, could, shall, should, all of the helping verb. So in this way you can see is, are, am, was, were, etc. Many are there, etc. They are the helping verbs. And main verb means action words. Like that, Rita writes a letter. What action Rita does? Rita writes a letter. So writes. So it is action word. Write is action word. Like that, he plays football. What does he play? He plays football. What does he play? So who plays football? He. What he does? Play football. So play refers to action word. Here, for example, you see Geetha is a girl. Geetha is a girl. Here is there. Is verb also, but it is helping verb. It is auxiliary verb. Auxiliary verb or helping verb. You can say auxiliary verb or helping verb. Helping verb. It is not main verb. It is not action words. So basically, main verb of the sentence is called action words. Like that, play, jump, write, laugh, weep, anything which shows action. So in this way, you can do some exercises as it is given. The verb has three forms. The verb has three forms: present, past, and past participle. The main verb has three forms. The main verb has three forms. Here also given, we know that a verb is a word that shows an action, a fact, or happening. An action, a fact, or happening. An action, a fact, or happening. Any happening. Any happening also. So in this way, a verb shows action, fact, and happening. In this way, verb has three forms. Verb has three forms. Verb has three forms as present form, past form, and past participle form. Past participle form. So present form, past form, and past participle form. Also you can say present form means first form. Present form means first form. Past form means second form. And past participle form means third form. Past participle form means third form of the verb. So you see, present form of the verb means first form of the verb. Past form of the verb means second form of the verb, and past participle of the verb means third form of the verb. So verb can be divided into three forms: first form, second form, and third form. You can see here, first word I am writing, write. Write is present form, and second form, wrote. WROTE, wrote. Third form is written. Third form is written. So first form write, second form wrote, third form written. So write, wrote, written. Write means present form or first form. Wrote means past form or second form. And written means past participle form or third form. So verb can be found in three forms: present form, past form, and past participle form. Present form is known as first form of the verb, past form is known as second form of the verb, and past participle form is known as the third form of the verb. So in this way you can get the first form, second form, and third form of the verb. Second, suppose that give. You know give, gave, given. Give, gave, given. So in this way, give, present form, gave, past form, and given, past participle form. So give, gave, given, three forms. You can see here, next, read, 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 read. The spelling of the three forms, read, read, same way. Read, 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 same way. In all the forms, same way. So many verbs are there that first form, second form and third forms are same. And many verbs are there that all the forms, first, second and third are different. Like that, write, wrote, written, give, gave, given. So in this way, you can find out other verbs also. So here, fifth, complete the following table with the help of the words given in the box. Go, went, gone. You can fill go, went, gone. In third form, it is given. You can fill present, past and past participle. Here, three columns are there. Here three columns are there: present, past, past participle. Present, past and past participle. So in this way, first go, went, gone. It is given go, went, and here gone. You can see gone. Second, cut, cut given. Here by again, here given, cut, here given also cut. This means cut, cut, cut. Cut, cut, cut. First, second, third form of the verb, it is found cut, cut, cut. And took, taken, given. Here took given, here taken given. So second form, past form of the verb means first form, second form and third form. Here second form and third form given, but first form is not given. So it is give, took, taken there now. So take, took, taken. So first form of took and taken will be take, took, taken. Take is first form of the verb, took is second form of the verb, and past participle or you can say third form of the verb taken. So take, took, taken. After this, here, heard, here written, here, and last written heard. So here, heard, here, here, heard, here. In first is different, but second form and third form is same. Here, heard, heard. So here, heard, heard. Allow, here given, allow, allow. Second, given, allow. What will be third form? So allow, allowed, allowed. You see, allowed, allowed, allowed. So second form, third form, same. So here, first present form, allowed, second form, allowed, and third form will be also allowed. So here, second form, third form, same. Here also in here, second form, third form, same. But here you can say take, took, taken. All the three forms are different. But here you can say cut, 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 same. Present, past or past participle. Or you can say first form, second form and third form. All three forms are same. But here you can see go, went, gone. All the three forms are different. So verbs can be found in same form also, can be found all forms different also, and can be similar. Two forms can be similar also. Like that, second form, third form similar, second form, third form similar. So sometimes it is found two forms similar, sometimes it is found all forms similar, like that cut, 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 put, shut, shut. So cut, 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 put, shut. So in this way, many words are there that it is found in the same form of the verb. Next, fly, flew, flown. So here you can fill fly. Here you can fill fly. Fly, flew, flown. And after that, stepped, stepped, stepped. So you can fill at last stepped. Stepped here. Here you can fill stepped. So third form is also stepped. Second is also stepped. Third form is also stepped. Last one, bow, board, board. Bow, board, board. So here also B-O-W-E-D, board. Second also board. Bow, bow, board, board. So second form, third form same. So in this way you can fill the columns in your book. In this way you can fill the columns in your book. And when I will tell, then you do in your copy. I will explain adverbs tomorrow. So adverbs and other things also I will explain. Degrees of comparison also I will explain. So you can study well at home. Okay, thank you.